Welcome to CIT Tech Tips. So, part one of this video, or the video we posted before this, we talked about how Bluetooth was made, and now we're going to be talking about the different types of Bluetooth devices that you have access to. And trust me, there are a lot of wacky, weird, whatever. Just know that society likes making profits, and we attach Bluetooth to almost anything.
Sponge guy.
Money, 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 money.
So yeah, let's get into that.
The first weird mechanism we found was the Microsoft Art mouse. As you can see, it's an ARC. It has a clipping mechanism on the inside that is mainly used to switch between the mouse's art and flat forms. The flat form being used for more travel purposes, while the ARC being used for the conventional use.
Pause! What is...
It uses only AAA batteries and is true ambidextrous, which means that it can support both right-handed and left-handed people. However, the batteries are only single-use. It has the usual left and right mouse buttons, but it does not have the scroll wheel. Instead, it has three-finger touch gesture support, as well as having regular gesture support. The downside to this mouse is that it has poor click latency, and the batteries being only single use. People who use the palm grip and the claw grip will find this mouse easy to use, while people who use the fingertip grip on mice will find this more difficult to use. It uses a laser sensor, a blue track laser sensor, and it is fully compatible with Windows only. It is partially compatible with Mac due to the functions such as three-finger click, stopping.
Next thing we got is the Helios Bar. So you might be wondering what exactly a Helios Bar is, right? So this is just a handlebar on a bike set that you can put, and it's Bluetooth. So, it comes with all the standard Bluetooth features, drag, blah, 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 stuff like that. So, it has proximity lighting. So, you'll be able to see it no matter daytime, nighttime, 3 a.m., 2 p.m., whatever it is. You'll always be able to see it. It has turn signals, so people know which way you're turning. So, if you want to go left, turn signal left, you feel me? Go boop. It has a visual speedometer, so you get to see like how fast you're going. Like as you can see, this person's going 60 miles, and on the handlebar you'd be able to see that if you were pedaling 60 miles per hour. Now if you're pedaling 60 miles per hour, you need to go do like the Olympics or something, because there's something wrong with you. Next you have the ambient lighting, which is kind of the same thing as the proximity lighting. I don't know why you put that on there. So I actually just got told confirmation that the speedometer actually shows you how fast you're going off of colors, not anything else. So yeah, colors. You go on red, that means you're going a little too fast there, homeboy. You need to slow down.
The beat go off? Hey.
It has you got the integrated headlight, which means you will always be able to see wherever you're going. I hope you have a bike helmet that blinks like you look like a blinking star. I hope you got one of those when you're riding at night. Otherwise, I don't know what you're doing. You're gonna get hit. But it does have a headlight, so you get to see where you're going. And it also has a GPS light. So if you wanted to, let's say you lost your bike in like, I don't know, Wyoming, and you go to like Florida.
Favorite candy. Reese's Pieces or them Lifesaver gummies.
Hey, yo, pizza here.
And you realize you don't have your bike. How you went that far without realizing your bike was gone, I don't know. But pretty much what you would do is you would text your bike, and the bike would text back to you, which I don't know how to do that, but it would text back to you, and it would send you a Google link, or not Google link, a Google Map link to find your handlebars. Pretty much find your bike. And then you could call up whoever you have in Wyoming, bring, hello? Can you pick up my bike in Wyoming? Yeah, I got you. Thanks. Click off the phone, now your bike is going to get shipped back to you. So yeah, that's the Helios bars.
Thank you for watching CIT Tech Tips. If you want to learn more about Bluetooth or anything else tech related, subscribe to the CIT Tech Tips channel YouTube. Make sure you click that like button, that subscribe button, turn on our post notifications, and you know what? Click on another video. Why not? Why not? Just do it. Do it right now, please, please, please. We need more subscribers. And yeah, have a good one, everybody.